Ninja Woodfire acting up? Here's how to reset it the right way. If your Ninja Woodfire isn't responding, buttons won't work, or it's stuck on a screen, a simple reset can fix it fast. Step 1. Unplug the grill completely. Pull the plug from the wall, not just at the unit. Leave it unplugged for at least 60 seconds. Step 2. Check the outlet and power source. If you're using an outdoor GFCI outlet, press the reset button on the outlet itself. Avoid power strips or extension cords. They can cause power drops or glitchy behavior. Step 3. Plug the grill back in and wait for boot up. Once it powers back up, you should see the display come on normally. If not, try a different outlet to rule out a power issue. Step 4. Press start and select a mode to test. Try starting a basic function like grill or air crisp. If the buttons respond normally, your reset was successful. If the reset didn't help and the unit is still frozen or unresponsive, it may be a deeper electrical issue. Ninja support link is in the description. If this got your grill working again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance tips. And if you want to protect your grill from future power glitches, we've linked a weatherproof outdoor surge protector in the description. Perfect for outdoor cooking setups. Thanks for watching, and grill steady.